Hi Bruce, this is Eliseo from Chicago, Illinois. We got everything set up. The question what we have is how do you make it run? All the setup position, all the sucking position, they're fine. We just know which button it makes the machine work automatically. I really appreciate if you can give me some information. Thank you. Bye-bye. Hello Bruce, this is Eliseo one more time. I got an issue and I found the answer, but I don't know exactly where to do this movement. The problem is with the air blower. When I press the air blower and I select the long time, I'm supposed to see the air being sucked. I mean the shit being sucked by the table, but it's blowing. And in the instruction said switch the wires, the two live wires. Which two live wires do I have to switch? From the breaker box? From this controller box? I have no clue. Can you give me the answer please? Thank you. Okay, I think it's ready to go. And we got the screen printing machine ready, same with the conveyor. Let's do it. We press the pedal, squeegee goes on, takes up, and the takeoff sucker, it does all the functions to work. It's just we gotta adjust the sucker a little bit down. Okay, now we got the motor blowing. Do it again. It's sucking the shit down to the table. That's it. The only thing is to adjust the suckers, but everything seems to be okay. Thank you.